guys, so today I want to talk about the amount of money that I've made from my investment that I did with my S&P 500 and the shares that I've invested my money on my trading 212 account. So I just want to jump into my trading 212 account from my smartphone and show you around this trading 212. Maybe let us see the amount of money I have made since I did my investment with them. So let me log into my trading 212 account now. So as you can see here, this is my trading 212 account. I will click on that to open my trading 212 account, and I want to let you know that when you are doing your investment, you need to know that all your capital is at risk. So when you are doing any investment, you have to know this, because a lot of time people think that when they do any investment, their money is still secure. No, you have to understand all your money is at risk. So when you want to invest at your own risk. So don't just invest because of the knowledge that I've given. Do your own research before you take any action, because I am not a financial expert. So I'm just sharing this video because that is my opinion and that is what I think that can work for me. So you too should do your own research before you start investing into any S&P 500 company or any stock market that you want to invest your money on. So that is one thing that I want to let you know. So if you look at my screen here, you will see that I have invested the money that I've invested. You can see what is showing here is about $500, but you have dropped down to 492 euros. So which is in euros. So you can see it here, 492 euros and 35 cents. That is the total amount that I have invested on this platform. And as you can see, the money I have in cash on my balance that I have not invested is $7. So when we scroll down here, I will click on the S&P 500, which is Vanguard S&P 500, which is VUGA, which is the symbol code of the S&P 500 that I've invested my money on. So when we scroll down here, you will see that I am losing a lot of money from my investments. So I have lost about $20 plus, which is about 20% of my $100 that I have invested in this Vanguard S&P 500, which is the VUAG, which is Vanguard S&P 500 RCC, which is accumulate. So that is the stock that I have, S&P 500 that I have invested my money on. So when we scroll down here, you will see that since I invested the money, there is no movement from my investment. Sometimes it's going up, sometimes it's dropping down. So as you can see, it's trying now to wrap it up again, but because of what is happening in the world today, Trump trying to increase taxes from China and other countries, and a lot of financial crisis that is going on right now, I think all these other things is affecting the stock market, and a lot of things are becoming very expensive. Things are people are going into a lot of bankruptcy. So I just want you to understand that before you do your investment, you need to know the type of company that you are investing your money on. Don't just invest because I am saying it. Invest because you know that this is something that can work for you, and you believe that this company, no matter how they drop, they are still going to grow back up. So I know a lot of you will be wondering, how can you trust this type of company? So you cannot trust them, but what you just need to do is to understand that your money is at risk. You just believe that this company might not grow bankrupt, so they will not they will not steal your money. They are going to still be working to balance their market and to be stable and try to be making money for their investors. So that is one thing that I want to let you know here. So when we scroll down here, you will see the company that have invested their money in this company. You can see the first company is Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Meta, and a lot of other companies that you can find on the screen here. So those are the top 500 company that is holding their money on this S&P 500 company that you can see on the screen here. So that is one thing that I want to let you know here. So you can see the amount of money that I have made as an investor to to this company, which is the Vanguard, the symbol code, which is VUAG, which is Vanguard S&P 500 RCC, which is accumulate. So that is the symbol code of the S&P 500 that I've invested my money on. And I still invested in other S&P 500, like I invested in this iShare S&P 500, which is the HDLG. I have invested in this company, which is Investco S&P 500 high dividend, low validity disk. So that is the company that I've invested my money on, and as you can see, I've still lost money here, which is I've lost $4.70, which is the money that I've lost since I invested my money on this platform here. So I just want to let you know that when you invest your money in company that are losing money, first, you invested in this company because you trusted them. So when they start losing money, don't just quickly run and go and withdraw your money or sell your share out. You just need to be patient, and you will see that the market is going to come back to normal, and you are going to start growing, and you are going to start making money. So that is one thing that I want to let you know. So if I come down here, you can see another S&P 500, which I mistakenly did. I was not knowing that I've already invested on it, so I mistakenly do it. I invested in this company again, but in euros. So if you see in dollars here, they are showing you that it's $33, and if we come back here in this currency here, it's not the same currency. So I was not knowing, I didn't do proper research about that, so I invested twice in one company. So which for me, I have to fix when the company grow. I have to quickly sell it and invest it in other company. I will not sell it now because I have to wait for the company to grow back a little bit in value so that I will not lose money. Because if you see here, I have lost $4, which is something that I need to recover back before I sell my share and invest it in other shares, because I don't want to invest a lot of my money in only one S&P 500 share. So that is one thing that I want to let you know. So when we scroll down here, the rest of them are stocks. So the rest of them are stocks. So I invested $1 in this VUSA, which I am supposed to invest the number of amount that they are asking their investor to invest, which is 76 pounds, which I have to do if I want to do that. But I didn't just do that because this was a testing video I did. That is when I tested it with $1, but I will cash it out when I get back the invested money back. So one thing that I want to say is that when you are investing in any S&P 500, let us say you want to withdraw your money. Don't withdraw your money the period that you are losing money. Withdraw your money the period that you are winning money, so that you'll be able to use the money that you are winning to pay back your taxes and try to invest it in other companies that you believe that can grow in value tomorrow. So that is what I think. So if I scroll down here, you will see other shares that I have invested my money on. All those are individual shares. Like if I click on Nvidia here, I have made a lot of money from Nvidia, honestly, because when I invested in Nvidia, my money tripled, and I made about like $100 plus when I invested $100 into this platform. So I just want to let you know that when you invest your money in this platform, you should invest for long term, not just invest for short term, because short term is going to make you feel like you are losing money. So invest for long term. At least $50 every single month is what is going to help you to stand out and to keep on making money from that your investment. Even if that they are losing money, don't just cash out your money. So just be patient and watch out the market. One thing I want to still let you know, when you are doing your investment or your capital is at risk. So don't just rely on what I am saying. Rely on what you think that can work for you in that your invested money that you have invested in that company. So that is everything that I want to show you here. I have lost money from this my investment. So yeah, that is investment for you. You will not just make that money that you wanted to you are expecting. You are going to lose money, and all you just need to do is to be focused and try to focus on what is going to make you to stay in the market and to invest for long term, not just for short term. So that is everything that I want to let you know. And as you can see here, there's a lot of shares that I am winning money from. If you Nvidia, I have gained about $40 plus, and if you see IBM, $8 plus. You will lose money in some company that you invested your money on, and you'll gain money from some company that you have invested your money on. So that is everything that I want to let you know on this video, guys. So go and try this method out if you want to use this website, which is called Trading 212. And if you want to use Revolut, I will leave the two links of audio website in the description below. You can check them out, and I will get some commission from those links. So if you want to use them, or you just go directly to their official website and try it out. So that is everything that I want to talk about on this video, guys. If you want to learn how you can make money from affiliate marketing, you can watch this video in the that will pop up around here. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. Peace.